Okay, so just at this little shop on the side of the road, and I needed a power lead with an extension cord, and and so I bought the socket there, and then I bought as much lead as I wanted, which was 2 meters, and then I bought a plug, and now the shop owner is fitting it for me. So, and it's all for the same price. So the fitting doesn't cost anything, I don't think. But anyway, so that's just a little shop here, like this, on the side of the road, and I don't exactly know how much this is going to cost, but probably based on how good a quality that is, probably still less than $10. Anyway, like, subscribe, comment, share. Vietnam's just an easy place to live.